So I'll go here and rename this, and I'll type in 450 by 900 mm. And after I've done that, I open it up, the type properties, and here I'll edit the B parameter to 0.45 of a meter, and then after that I'll edit the H parameter to 0.9 of a meter, and then apply. Then I'll go here and make a duplicate of this, and I'll name this one 450 by 800 mm. Then I'll open it up, and here I'll change the H parameter to 0.8. Okay, and then I'll save the file. But the thing is, these parameters H and B that we've created don't actually show up in the structural column that we created. So I'll right click on the rectangle column itself, and I'll open up the edit type. Later on, we'll have to do the same for the joist as well. So here in the edit type, I'll create a shared parameter for them. So yes, here, then create, and I'll give this path to it. Go to the files, and here I'll name the shared parameter as, for example, structural shared parameter. I'll just type that in, and after I've done that, I'll just save it here. And then here in the edit menu, I'll create a new group and I'll name it columns. Okay, and then here I'll create a new parameter and I'll name it B, and then the other one is H. Then okay, and then I'll select B because I've selected it here in the dimensions first. Okay, then here I'll select H, and in the shared parameter menu I'll select H as well. Okay, and then apply, and then okay again. So I'll just save the file up to this point. I'll just create a new folder in here and I'll name it str-families. All right, I'll open up the folder and I'll save the file here. After I've done that, I'll just click on load into project and close, then overwrite, and all right. And now you can see them if we open up the rectangular column as well. So here 450 by 800 and then 450 by 900. So the next one that we have in the plan is 400 by 800. So I'll just duplicate this and I'll name the new one 400 by 800 mm. And then I'll edit the B and H to 0.4 and 0.8. So the next one in the plan is 400 by 800 as well, which we have a lot of in the plan. So if we actually take a look at it in the AutoCAD file here, we have a 40 by 80 for section 3. And then for the section 4, we also have 4 by 80. So their difference is probably in the type or order of rebars. For now, we don't have anything to do with the rebars, so we'll just create one type for them and it'll work just fine. All right, so the next one that we have is 400 by 700. So here I'll make a duplicate and I'll name it that. Open it up and change the H to 0.7. So let's see what else we have in the plan. It's 400 by 500. So here I'll duplicate this and then I'll name it that. Here edit the H as well, and then the next one is 400 by 400. So duplicate here and then there we go. Edit type and change this to 0.4. And then I'll save the file. All right, so let's take a look at the AutoCAD file and see what we've made. So here we've made the 400 by 700, not the 400 by 600. And let's see what else. I've made the 450 by 90 and 450 by 80. So I'll just have to make the rest. And the only one remaining is 40 by 60. So here I'll make a duplicate and I'll name it 400 by 600 mm. Then open it up and edit the age to 0.6. Let me just take another check. I think we've made most of the column types, and if we've missed any when we're designing them, we'll just create them there. All right, so now in the next video, we'll just start placing the columns, and then we'll continue from there.